Hello Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a very interesting video for you guys. We have cousin tag. Meet my cousins.
Hello.
Well, my cousins and my sister. I don't know what she's doing here, but then she's also my cousin's cousins.
Yeah, she's our cousin.
But anyway, in our culture, because we are Zulu, in our culture there's nothing called cousin. Your cousin is your mother's neighbors who worked with your, like a cousin is something so far removed. But we are actually sisters. Our parents are siblings.
Yes.
We are sisters. But for the sake of adopting and adapting to other cultures and to this English thing, we are
Cousins.
Thank you. Okay, in cousin tag, I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with this. I asked you guys to send me questions about what you would like to know about my cousins. So I'm going to read some of the questions that you guys have sent me. You guys, you cousins of mine, have to answer honestly and truthfully.
Okay.
Okay. Unless it's something that's embarrassing about me. About anyone else, be honest and truthful.
We have to be truthful.
Thank you. Okay. Question number 1. So boring. How and when did you meet?
How? When you were born.
Oh, like seriously?
You were born
When
first.
we were born first.
We had no choice but to come after our parents met. God.
And then, how are you related to your cousins?
Wow.
Our parents, our mothers are sisters.
Sisters, yeah?
Our mothers are sisters to their father.
Diego. To us.
Yes.
What's your favorite memory together? Anyone can answer this.
I can.
Mm-hmm.
There's one that I remember when we were still in, I think you were in high school and I was in primary in Redfern. And every time I didn't have fees, sometimes I'll use my money that I was supposed to use as bus fare. So I will use that to eat, like for whatever, I'll buy something. And then I find out that I don't have money anymore. So I'll have to wait for you until you leave school, and then I'll ask for money from you because you were right across the same school that I was in.
That's irresponsible.
That's called cousin relationship.
That's called having a big sister.
Exactly.
Yes.
You know that you don't have to worry about
My one
because
was
you know
when-
that you've got a sister that's
And my one was when, well, my cousin started working overseas. Whenever she would come home, well, she would go to my grandmother's house, and that's where we all met. And then she will bring these suitcases, all of them, it's clothes for
Clothes.
us.
yeah.
She didn't even have anything to wear when she went back. That's how
Please mention
crazy
the
it
word
was.
designer.
Designer clothes. Actually, my
first
matric
design-
dance was all from
Yes.
overseas. Thank
My
you.
first Lacoste dress, and my first one and the only Lacoste dress I owned was from her, and a lot of things. I was like, my first skinny jeans was from her, and it doesn't fit me anymore for obvious reasons.
Bali,
But we're not there.
Bali, our first memory together.
My first memory with you, like, yeah, the same as Nundu, the clothes, yeah. We owned them, like,
You made sure we
yes.
felt like VVIPs.
VIPs, yes. And even this one was the best, guys. We have the best one.
And whenever
But
she
it's
comes
not a
home,
memory yet.
she makes sure she will ask, where's who? Where's Bali? Where's Dundu? Where's... So we all have to come home. Whenever she comes to our grandmother's house, it's like a reunion. Even if you don't want to come and you're sick, you come with your drip
I
from
am the
hospital.
super glue that bonds the family together.
Yes,
you
did.
Okay. Oh,
My favorite memory was when I used to visit you at Turkey. It was so much fun. And you used to ask your friend, the short one, I don't remember her name. We used to go and play with swings.
Oh wow.
It was
really
fun.
good.
Yeah, and I was special because I was 10 years old.
Swings.
Yeah.
it was
She was
fun.
not
It
Yes.
was fun for her.
How?
It's just
Shoo.
white.
That's you.
Swine.
Next question is stay.
white.
Thank you.
never
She's
be
starting
this
again
white.
to stay. Move on.
Okay.
Another memory. I still get close even now.
Yes. Thank you. Next question is stay.
Okay, guys.
Thank you.
It's so white.
What is your dream job?
Who?
All of you, each and every one of you.
Okay, we need to answer this.
My dream job has always been a performer, but mostly in dance. But looking in South Africa, it's not really a form of a career that you can make or live out of. So yeah, that has always been something that I wanted to do in life. So now it's just something that I wish I could just do as a hobby.
Okay.
Next.
My dream job is to become a housewife, a house executive, to be exact. I'm joking, guys. I'd love to, well, not a job as per se, but to own my own hotel. Maybe a small boutique hotel, maybe 10 rooms, and just explore from there and maybe have my own restaurant and things. But that's where my dream is, in the hotel industry. But
Is it gonna be Porto?
Okay, my dream is to own property. So
What kind of property? You know, a public toilet is property.
Good one.
A men's hostel is property.
property in Zimbabwe. maybe?
yeah, property.
Residential property where you live, or as a business.
As a business.
Mm-hmm.
I would love to own property
So
as
it's
a
more or less the
business.
same as you do.
Maybe Unundu can rent for a hotel.
But you know, cuz I'll be owing you all the time. I'll be owing rent for months because you love me.
But seriously, my dream job is to have a property.
Okay, my dream job is to be a president.
How
own South
much
Africa.
la?
To
To
own
own
South
South Africa.
But sit down. I know you're already sitting down. But just let your heart sit down for a second.
That's my dream job. We have to be a president.
Tata Mamku.
What are you doing towards it?
Okay, that's a
Nothing.
good one.
Because everyone else who's mentioned their dream job, Undando started performing arts. She's a graduate. Undumso went to a hotel school, international hotel school, and also went to DUT.
Okay.
Umbutu, LLB and property lawyer,
And
property owner, very close.
And you?
And then, Umamkulu.
President, what have you done? A hairstyle.
Assistant.
A hairstyle.
No, not a hairstyle.
Let us pass. Before we embarrass you, let us
Wait and
pass.
see. Wait and see.
Actions speak louder than words.
Wait and see.
Actions speak
Yes,
louder than words.
Wait
One
and
I
see.
support your dreams.
Yes, I'm the president.
Terminator.
I support your dream. I support
Thank you, sister.
it. Okay. Who takes longer to get ready?
Me, because I have to prepare breakfast all the time.
No,
I have to iron all your clothes.
Hey.
I'm like a maid.
No! She doesn't like to bath at all. You have to wait for her to bath. That's the biggest problem.
Wait, listen.
Bad is me.
But it's me. Nandu.
You're already there. You're
Before Nandu can take a shower or have a bath, we have to burn incest like in Pepo.
Yes.
And beg our ancestors to walk into the bathroom.
Because the time I have to go bath, I'm tired. I've been cooking. I've been preparing breakfast.
And then every time she has to bath, she's like, but I don't smell.
Yes.
Oh, she says I don't look like I haven't bathed. And then you have to say like, but you smell like
Yes, you have to take a bath because you smell.
She's like, I look like I took a shower.
Another question.
No, we like this one.
Question, please. What? Can I ask a question? What's the word that's mysterious to you, Mbali? Do you have a word?
Who is best looking?
Let the people judge.
Yes.
Who's looking?
Send the picture.
Demo.
Looking.
was watching.
Yeah, it
Shut
depends.
up.
You people can tell us who's looking.
Don't be confused by being a yellow ball.
Let us continue with questions, please. Who is the last one to get up?
Bali.
Why?
Because she wakes until 4 o'clock in the morning and she's struggled.
Without her dragon, she can't get up.
Okay, who is the best cook?
Obvious. Don't do miss.
We'll give her.
What nicknames do you have for each other?
Oh,
Mine
my
is
God.
Tavashni.
For each other.
Mom cool.
Used to be called.
Because she behaves like she's the first wife in a polygamous relationship.
I don't have.
Umputuda.
Who's small, when who's small.
This one is umncanyana.
Umncanyana. Umputuda.
Umputuban. Precious, why you nickname yakho?
Unko.
Ustuka. She used to be Ustuka when she was still a speaker.
Yeah, Munyamunya.
I don't know that
Some
name.
You know, Manyamunya.
It doesn't have to
Need to be
anymore.
reborn. Munya munya.
Heels or flats? Do you guys like wearing heels or flats? These are so boring.
No, they're not. They're actually very elegant, and it gives you that bit of posture.
And
No,
heel-
I mean the questions.
oh,
okay.
Okay.
Heels for me have a deep
depends
meaning.
which
Yeah,
way I'm going.
even no, for me heels. Even when I'm in the kitchen, because for me heels have a very deep meaning for me. Heels, if you're wearing high heels, it's like you always on your feet. You always, you're not
just flat.
you're not
Like a
relaxed. Let me put that. So if I'm wearing pumps, it's like I'm relaxed and
And you're ready for your flat.
So if you're wearing heels, you're always on your feet. You're like, how do I look, guys? That's
Bali and
for me.
Putu heels or flats?
It depends on the
Depends there.
Flex,
Depends
they
on
flex.
the
These people are flex.
Oh, so it's
Thanks,
cool.
Pa.
Yesterday, what we were wearing.
So it's the
heels.
girl who didn't
Listen,
bring
listen.
her heels.
Who?
Thank
Okay,
you.
let's continue, please. Who is the most likely to take a fight?
Bali! 3 fights in a night.
And be careful, she might hit you.
Fights in KFC.
Bible!
Baby girl, if you're
Okay,
watching.
next question.
Thank you, sister.
Who attracts the ugliest men?
Bali attracts all kinds.
Well, at this moment, I take anybody. Because one time my cousins told me I'm not married yet because I have a type. Because my type is the nice type, the good looking type, the money type. So I was like, now, you know what? Let me
Take anybody.
put my standards down.
I mean,
lay
shame.
them by
I
the
don't want to
riverside.
lie.
So I take any baboon I can.
I mean, I don't discriminate, and I don't judge men by how they look.
Thank you.
I judge them by how much they have in the bank and what car they drive.
Thank you. Bank statement. Bank statement. Jesus.
You
It's like 3
guys.
months food.
Next question. Thank you.
Who is the nicest?
I'm
Okay.
nice.
I am.
Umputu is the nicest.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Mutu is,
But I don't think she even knows that she's nice. That's how nice she is. She's so nice that she'll think I'm nice. Because she's nice to
She's
me.
like, other people credit.
Who?
Eh? She's
Okay,
that
let's
nice that she gives other
continue.
people
Okay,
credit.
thank you.
Who is the loudest?
We all are. No, we all are actually.
Yeah, we all are.
We all
Thank you,
are.
Nodan.
We've
We all
been chased out of restaurants numerous times.
Okay, there's another question from one of our cousins, Untlaga. Why wasn't I invited, or were the jokes about me? Please, all of you answer her.
We actually created a group.
We have a family group.
Yes.
She knows everything that's going on. She's part of it. She's
Yes.
just decided to be quiet on the family group.
We love you.
We love you,
For
we
me,
love you. We wish you
personally,
were
for me,
here.
I wanted to visit you while I was in Joburg, but I
But you were
thought
scared because you're gonna go?
marathon.
and everything.
Yeah,
Yeah, she's the
or
one who's
maybe
the
she will
fastest.
run away from us.
But we still love you, cuz.
Love you. Tomorrow we'll be running to your house.
How was cousin Thenjiwe as a child?
As a child.
Just the
I'm older than all of them, so they don't remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, when
Aye, she was
we
always
when we were
dramatic,
growing up, she was just annoying.
Wow, she was always dramatic.
Yeah,
She was always on heels, always doing modeling, acting.
No, Mina, the last time I remember when I was just a child,
Always in
she
character.
was always job hunting, even when she was 12. I guess our life was really hard. She was just job hunting in the newspapers. I don't
I've
remember
always
her
been
playing.
responsible.
I don't remember her playing.
I've always been responsible.
She's a hustler.
I've always been a hustler. I had a job since I was in primary school. And when I wasn't working, I would go. Our grandmother worked in a hotel, so I would go and help her
Go
to
with
clean
her.
those rooms. Because I would feel like she can't just feed us and work by herself. So I would go sneak
She's
in and
been
help
a
her to
hustler
work.
ever since
I've
I've
always
known
been
her.
a hustler.
She's been looking
Thank you
for
very
jobs.
much.
Eh,
True
But
story.
I'm so proud of her.
Yeah, we all are.
We all are.
Is the whole family a joke?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
we are.
Who
Yeah.
is the funniest in the family?
Sister
When it was our grandmother.
Sister and the miso is the...
Umalumbancane.
Ah, forgot about that one.
However, like, I'm
I think
the
the
We
least-
come
house
from
is
we come from a very funny
The house
family.
is
Family,
very
yeah.
crazy.
like, even Thenjiwe is not even. My babomncane, God. My aunt
we come from.
takes the cake.
Our grandmothers were all funny.
Yeah.
Our grandfathers
And they
were
didn't
all
know
funny.
it.
Like we're a family that laughed. We didn't even know there was violence in Wamashu growing up because we were always laughing.
Yeah.
We didn't know
We just read about it in the news when we
If
grew
we
up.
were
Like,
hungry, we'd laugh about it. If we didn't have anything to cook, we'd laugh about it. And we-
so in
we-
other words, we laughed our way out of poverty.
Any situation.
We just laugh.
Okay.
But when you failed, we laughed about it.
Okay, this one is the same one. It is very similar to the previous one. Which one of you? Okay, which one is of you? Because I'm sorry to have to say this, but sometimes I share on social media
Jesus.
messages from my cousins,
Believe it says,
and one of them is allergic to English. When she touches English, English runs away. Yeah? So they wanna know which one is this. Shall we mention or not?
Don't mention it.
No, we won't show you. We won't tell you.
Please don't.
Okay, she me not here. She me not here.
I think
This guy's done it. Stats.
I'm things.
Next question. Next question, please.
I'm things. I'm
Next question. Thank you.
clientele. I'm win.
okay, guys.
Please, next question.
I'm win.
And there's so many people wanting to know.
Hey, the guys, next question. Sister, carry on.
Okay. Utilona, mina nje, I want to ask the cousins how it feels to have a cousin crazy funny like you, but still hot as hell. They said I'm hot. Guys, they said I'm hot.
Hot now. Hot.
We need evidence.
We need evidence. Well, it's because it's not really dramatic
Never
because
met us.
most of us
Yes.
What's
Go
that?
for
You
it.
have to take notes for this answer. Yes. Carry on, girl. Tell them.
I'm in Kambamanga in
No, it's true.
Pretend.
You say she's hot because you've never met us.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's see after this video. Thank you.
This is the green pepper. We are chilling. This is a very big green pepper.
And which cousin is the most responsible?
Ando.
Uh,
Ando.
Actually, they didn't ask for the most stingy. They asked for the most
Thenjiwe will be
responsible.
the one.
There's a
Tutu is
difference.
responsible, guys. I'm responsible.
I
You.
can.
But we are all individually responsible.
No,
We are all very independent, and we are all very
I wonder who
supportive of
wakes
each
you
other.
up and wakes
We
you up
support
and
each
makes
other.
breakfast
We
for
yeah.
everybody.
Like, really?
Show us the earliest photograph of you together. I think they're in grandma's room in an album somewhere. I don't. They're in Durban, and
lots and lots
right
of
now we are in
albums.
Kufuki land, so we can't show
In
you.
Canada.
What is the one thing that your cousins can do that you can't do? I mean, personally, I cannot dance. They can dance.
I was about to
I
say
cannot
that.
sing. They can sing.
Okay.
But
Who can sing?
give me a position as a dancer.
Who can sing?
I think the singing part we
Can you
all
sing?
can't.
Switch off.
But at least when you can join me. I was told in Sunday school, the pastor said, you know what, you can sing with your heart because I'm losing.
Yeah, that is
in
why
my
I'm
congregation.
asking who can sing because
I can't even
I
sing in
remember
the
in
shower because the
primary
first
school-
time, the one time I sang in the shower, we had policemen coming to us who's killing a goat.
because me like, in primary school and you know in primary school, black primary schools, everyone is put in the choir. But me, I was eliminated. They're like, no, next year, baby. Next year, baby.
At least you were given a next year choice.
Yeah.
Me, I was like,
But the next
no.
year never came. I'm still waiting for next year.
I mean, I was a no. Definitely,
I mean,
don't
they were
try.
like, hey, baby. But they didn't want me to commit suicide. You wouldn't have this
Suicide at that
beautiful
time wasn't
cousin.
really that much.
There was
Depression and
depre-
suicide is a thing of a now, you
Listen,
know.
there was depression, girl.
Next question. Thank you.
What is the nicest thing your cousin had ever done for the list is too long. We won't even start. We're always doing nice things for each other.
Thank you.
What is your cousin's most used sentence or word?
So,
Make love to me.
And
Masangoma.
so
Uzavol.
yeah, I use Zavolo all the
Asikho
time.
lapho.
asikho lapho.
Asikho lapha.
Kodwa ke.
She talks too much, so she has a lot of catchwords.
Mbaland,
Asikho lapho.
are you keeping me?
Ah, we
I-
keep it.
That's why I keep at me umuntu. Because like,
Isho ngesingisi.
because like the day
It's the
before
same that's in
yesterday.
English.
Yes, the day before yesterday. Say- But it says you took yourself out of me.
You took yourself out of
Guys,
me. Like, seriously.
Like
You
seriously,
took yourself out of me.
took out.
took out.
But
Zavolo in English.
Umbali.
Me, I don't remember, sister.
Mom, cool.
Hey, Umbali is the one who shouts a lot.
that's
Angenzwa njalo.
Explain in English. They need to know.
I'm not sure. Yeah.
She doesn't have a word. She used all the words.
When was the last time you guys had an argument?
We
Today.
don't argue.
Today.
Argue about?
How about
But
today?
an argument is like
A serious
like
one.
a serious one.
Not just
Oh,
this.
not just
not
any
just-
other-
not
okay.
banter.
Like we argue all the
disagreements.
time.
Not
We
banter.
disagree. We don't.
We
Yeah,
don't
we have
disagree, not
disagreements
argue.
all the time about how beautiful I am, but
We're not there.
Have you ever had a crush on your cousin's friends?
No.
because they don't have friends.
We all got.
Yeah,
We all.
I'm their first best friend. So,
What is the last thing you bought together?
the vineyard.
Bread.
Yeah, that's bread this afternoon.
This morning.
Do you guys go shopping together?
Yes.
Yes.
Grocery shopping.
What do you guys do for fun?
We just chill in the house together
Be
because
together
we
and
always
talk,
chased
talk,
out
talk,
of restaurants and public places because we're so
You're
noisy.
so loud.
So we'd rather just chill in the
together.
backyard.
Indoors.
What weird habits do each of you have?
Weird habits that
Habits.
we have.
Laughing at people,
Yeah.
even when it's unnecessary.
Yebo.
Yeah, we laugh even when it's unnecessary. A dead body would be in front of
A
us.
joke, a big
And
joke.
they always laughing at Mzala D even when she's there, when she doesn't know the difference between masturbation and menstruation.
Yeah, we teach
You
her
guys-
later, but
It's not about you. It's about Mzalati. It's not you.
Carry on.
So wow, it was a learning curve.
you learn new words every day. But this
Who has the most expensive taste?
Do. And Thenjiwe.
Yeah, both of them.
Yeah, I mean, I have expensive taste. It's just that I can't afford it.
And this is staying in the house.
Yeah,
She
yeah.
can't
And she can't
afford it.
But I struggle. I do it. I try. I push.
Push it out.
Fast girl. Because you and the gun.
Oh, 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 oh,